Hi everyone, I am back once again with a quick video of our school year. We started 3 weeks ago, more or less, and I just thought I've been putting this video off for a while now. I've been so busy with 4 children. So today, while my son works on his microscope, he's doing a little bit of his independent studies, I thought I'd give you guys a quick mini tour of our school year this year. It has not changed much. It's pretty much the same as how we started. We just tweaked it up a little bit here and there. We added a couple of shelves and a couple of new schedules that I thought I'd just get into real quick, and then we'll do more reviews and so on as the year goes by. Okay, so starting out here, he is now officially a first grader and officially being homeschooled. He is with a CFL board, and we are loving them. They are extremely helpful, but more about that later. So as we enter the classroom, this is this little nook of posters and stuff. Then we have, I'm just trying to move back a little bit. And that's a little closet with my stuff, extra stationery and resources in that cabinet there. That is our calendar for the year. Hey kitty. Hey kitty. Later. Okay, so that's our calendar for the year, and my twins, who are actually going to school, they're in preschool right now. They are in a therapy program because they're a little bit speech delayed, and they're getting some help from ELF school. So they are gone for the full day from Monday to Thursday, and we run our calendar in coordination with their school year. So all the orange marks are days off, and that's usually Fridays. X's are the weekends and holidays, and this is when school started, 10th of September, and we are here. So that little calendar over there is my personal calendar. It tells me what my week and my month looks like. This shelf has been there from before. We keep some resources out of reach for my toddler. I have a little almost 2-year-old as well. So whatever you'll see, my classroom is usually designed around her and how I can keep her out of trouble, and these books out of trouble too, out of her reach. So this shelf is organized in a way where she can reach her books, the first 3 to 4 shelves, and then everything up top is not the hardcover, and it's to keep out of her reach. This shelf that we added from IKEA this year is a great addition to our classroom this year. Yeah, I've divided the sections according to subject. For example, we have world history, then we have our geography and animal science. We have a section of fiction reading, fairy tales, so on, and we have human science and biology. We have language and religion, and then we have our math. More about those books later as well. This is from before. Another thing we added this year was this calendar, which he is absolutely in love with, and it's a great resource. He got it for his birthday, which was a couple of days before his school year started, September 10th. And every morning he comes in, and it has a little bit of everything. So he sets it and he enjoys it, and it's a great way to start the school. Then we have our number board that I made for him a couple of years ago. Oops, sorry. And I cannot tell you how much we have used this and how useful it has been for us in every way, learning about numbers and about number as a quantity. I did a review and a little video about it when I made it a couple of years ago. So you can go back to that to see how it was made. It's pretty simple, really, but it's very, very useful. This here under my kitty is the folder for this year. What I do is with little sticky notes, I decide what we should be, my weekly goals with my son should be. And then I just kind of put them here, and I go back to them during the week to see where we are at in science, math, and English. And then at the end of the week, what I do is I take the sticky notes off, and whatever we have covered, I just kind of jot that down as his weekly progress report. And if we've left out something or missed something, then that moves on to the following week. So far, this is working great for us, and you know how it is with homeschooling. The schedules kind of change according to how the week was, and you know, it's a learning process. You keep trying new things. So far, this is it, and this is just a brief video of how we are schooling this year. I'll get into a lot of other things throughout. Hopefully I'll be doing more regular videos. Yeah, so see you guys later. I hope this was useful. If you have any questions, comment below or message me, and I will make a video on that too. All right, take care everybody. Bye.